What's going on, everybody? So quick trip, going to pick up the new cab for Jasmine's 79 F150 short bed build. Got the trailer hooked up. I've got the old bed from the high boy build that is hammered, that's going to go out to the crusher, and we're going to get rid of that, pick up the new cab, and yeah, I'll take you guys along the way for the ride and let you kind of see what we got going on. Pretty exciting. All right, so we're here. You can see in the background the cab that I'm picking up. It's gonna be good. It's really windy out there, so we'll see how the audio comes through, but I want to take you guys along and just kind of show you what we have going on. All right, so this is the bed we're dropping off. It's all rusted out on the inside, full of body filler, just cut up. You know, inners are good, but really just trying to make the better choice here, and need to do something with this. I'm picking up this bad boy. Needs cab corners, floor pans, but it's good. Roof is in good shape. Everything's good. So super excited about this. It's gonna be good. Be a really, really good cab. This one is for a future project, but we'll introduce that when it's time. So this is the chassis that cab came off of over there, but this is another special one. Getting her all loaded up. All right, we're all loaded up. Time to head back to the casa. All right, that's a big win. Huge thanks to Tate and his boy for getting that pulled and ready and set on the trailer for me. And now run back to the house. It's gonna sit on the trailer till it's ready to go onto a body cart. Obviously there's some rust in the lower rockers on the inside, but fortunately we have a parts cab that we can pull some of the weird rust spots and get those all patched up, so it's fresh and new and pretty exciting. So definitely keep you guys up to date. Get back to the house, we'll do a full walk around, show you all the problem spots that we're going to address as we kind of go. So we made it back home and got the cab behind me, so I'm going to give you guys a quick walk around and let you know kind of what we got to address as we go, but pretty stoked. All right, so cab mounts up front are actually in really good shape. There's a place underneath, I'm not sure that you guys can see, where it's rusted on the rocker. Maybe it's not, maybe it's just peeling, but I think it's rust. So we'll get that addressed to make it look right. Passenger side's actually okay. The roof on this cab is phenomenal, absolutely phenomenal. So, which makes life way nice and a lot easier to deal with. Floor pan on the driver's side, obviously you can't see it very well right now with the gate up. See if we can see it through the back window. The floor pan in there needs to be done. But a big part of this was wanting to make sure that we got the trim back here, or at least the studs to mount trim. This trim's in actually really good shape, but we're gonna pull this off and replace it and put new trim on there, because this truck is gonna have a white roof like the high boy, which I won't tell you the main body color because I'm gonna let Jazzy tell you guys about that, but you know, we'll have a couple of holes to fill here on this. We aren't gonna be putting this kind of trim back on. Obviously cab corners on both sides, inners and outers, need to be done. Pretty easy to build those and get that dialed in right. The floor pan on the passenger side here actually isn't bad. There's a weird rust spot underneath the seat here, which haven't really seen rust there before, so we'll have to deal with that. And then there's a part in the back of the pillar that needs to be replaced, but kicks are good, everything's good. The truck is going to go to a standard. The original truck wasn't automatic, but got a new hump. Everything's all good. So The original truck was an XLT Lariat, so we will be putting this step back on in her truck, so it'll be a higher trim package in Jazzy's truck. One of the coolest things is it has gun racks. Now, whether hers gets to keep it or they go in the highboy, we'll see. But that is awesome. I mean, way awesome. So if you know, you know. Anyway, it's all here. We got the standard column, horns for the inner fenders, but check this roof out. Just perfect. So what we'll do is we're gonna go ahead and we'll pull the doors off, pull the seat out, strip this cab down, pull the glass all out of it, you know, get it nice and light so that we can take it to the shop and start stripping all this old paint off and everything. And then actually for that old cab back there, the pieces that they don't remake will actually cut out of that cab to put on this truck. So all wins. Really, really stoked about this. I've already got cab corners coming from Auto Metal Direct and new floor pans. I didn't need to get a floor pan for this side, but definitely need that one. And the floor pan will get used on something else. So don't really want to call and make a change. But yeah, so it'll get different doors on it. These doors are pretty hammered. And we're gonna go with that custom style door that doesn't have the trim. But we'll save the hinges for the truck and just basically just get this thing stripped down. So we'll see if we get to that later today or not. But overall, super, super excited. So when Jazzy gets home, I'm gonna surprise her with the cab. She knew it was coming, but she didn't think it was gonna be here today. Anyway, thank you guys for watching and going along for the ride to pick this thing up, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.